All right, now when your 4 rooms are assembled, we're going to stick them together to make a book. So, if you fold your room, if it's not folding, give this another bend, a nice good bend. Fold so it closes like a square. And on one side, I'm going to apply glue. And to that glue side, I'm going to take another room that I folded, making sure also that the floor is on the same side. You don't want your floor on the ceiling. Stick that together, add another layer of glue, assemble your next room by pressing it on top of that room, add glue, and voila, your rooms should be stuck together. You want it to be like a kind of an accordion book when it opens. Give it some time to dry. The glue might keep it from opening at first. So once your glue sets, it should open and you should be able to see your rooms. This one's a lot better because I have the drawings completed on it. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to go over how to assemble the outside of the house.